Quicksilver Rewards for Students Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a student looking for a simple, rewarding, and low-maintenance credit card in 2025, you've probably heard of the Quicksilver Rewards for Students card. But is it truly worth it, or is it just another marketing gimmick? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this card, its rewards, fees, perks, and how it stacks up against alternatives so you can make an informed decision without wasting time or money. Let's start with the basics. The Quicksilver Rewards for Students card is designed specifically for college students or young adults new to credit. Its primary appeal is simplicity. It offers a flat 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which means you don't need to juggle rotating categories, bonus categories, or complicated redemption rules. In 2025, simplicity is still a major advantage for students who are just learning to manage credit and build a solid credit history. One of the most common mistakes students make when choosing a credit card is focusing solely on rewards. While rewards are important, building credit responsibly and avoiding unnecessary fees is even more crucial. The Quicksilver Rewards for Students card scores well in this area. It has no annual fee, which means you can keep it open for years without worrying about it costing you money. For students on tight budgets, avoiding annual fees is a significant advantage. Now let's talk about the 1.5% cashback. This may not sound like much compared to premium cards that offer 5% or more in specific categories, but for a student, flat-rate rewards are ideal. You earn the same percentage on every purchase, from textbooks and groceries to coffee and streaming subscriptions, without needing to track categories or meet spending requirements. Over time, these rewards add up, especially if you use the card for everyday purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. Speaking of paying balances, the Quicksilver Rewards for Students card encourages responsible credit behavior. Interest rates are competitive for a student card, though they vary depending on your creditworthiness. In 2025, the typical APR for this card ranges from around 18% to 25%, which is standard for student cards. The key is to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, as carrying a balance will quickly negate any cash back you earn. Another area where the Quicksilver Rewards for Students card shines is in credit building potential. Using this card responsibly and making timely payments can help establish a strong credit history. This is important not just for future credit cards, but also for loans, renting apartments, and even some job applications. Most students underestimate how valuable a good credit score can be long-term, and this card offers a safe way to start building it. Let's dive deeper into the benefits beyond cashback. One standout feature in 2025 is access to Quicksilver's purchase protection. This includes coverage for theft or damage on new purchases within a certain time frame, usually 90 days. For students buying laptops, electronics, or other essentials, this added protection can be a lifesaver. Additionally, the card offers zero liability protection on unauthorized charges, meaning if your card is stolen or used fraudulently, you won't be held responsible for those charges. This is particularly comforting for students who may not yet be familiar with managing credit securely. Many students also worry about foreign transactions, especially if they study abroad or travel during breaks. The Quicksilver Rewards for Students card does charge a foreign transaction fee, typically around 3%. While this isn't ideal for frequent international travelers, it's manageable for occasional trips. If you plan to travel a lot, you might want to consider a card specifically designed for no foreign transaction fees, but for most students, this is a minor drawback. Application requirements are student-friendly. You generally need to be enrolled in college and have some form of income, which can be part-time work, internships, or even financial aid disbursements. Venmo or PayPal-linked accounts aren't necessary for approval, though having a checking account can speed up verification. One tip in 2025: if you don't meet the income requirement, some students have successfully applied with a cosigner, usually a parent or guardian. This allows you to start building credit without earning a high income yet. Now, let's talk about the rewards redemption process. Quicksilver makes it easy. Cashback is automatically applied to your statement as a credit, or you can choose to deposit it into a bank account. There's no minimum redemption requirement, so even small amounts matter. For students, this is great because even earning $5 or $10 in cashback from weekly purchases can help cover snacks, transportation, or subscription services without hassle. Some students wonder if there are any hidden fees or pitfalls. Aside from the standard APR if you carry a balance and a foreign transaction fee, there are no annual fees, no balance transfer fees in most cases, and no complicated tiered reward structures. This transparency is a major selling point in 2025, especially when so many cards target students with hidden costs and complicated terms. Let's compare it briefly to other student credit cards. Many student cards offer 5% cash back in rotating categories such as Amazon, dining, or gas, but these require activation and tracking. For a student with a busy schedule, the simplicity of 1.5% on all purchases is often more practical than trying to remember which category is active this month. Additionally, some competitors may have annual fees or limited rewards redemption options, making Quicksilver stand out as low effort and reliable. Another aspect to consider is the long-term value. While the flat 1.5% cash back isn't huge in dollar terms, the bigger benefit is developing a strong credit history. Keeping the card open for years, using it responsibly, and paying off balances builds credit that can help you qualify for premium cards, loans, or better interest rates down the line. Essentially, the Quicksilver Rewards for Students card is as much a credit-building tool as it is a cashback card. In 2025, Quicksilver has also improved its app and online experience. You can track your rewards, set spending alerts, and monitor your credit score directly in the app. This makes it easy for students to stay on top of finances and learn good money habits early. Features like push notifications for payment due dates, spending limits, and fraud alerts help ensure that students avoid late fees and maintain a strong credit profile. One question students often ask is, how much can I realistically earn in rewards? Let's do a quick example. Suppose you spend $1,000 a month on everyday expenses, books, groceries, coffee, transportation. At 1.5% cashback, that's $15 per month or $180 per year. It may not sound like much, but for a student, every dollar counts, and more importantly, it's passive income for spending you would already do. Over time, this can offset minor expenses and reinforce the habit of using credit responsibly. It's also worth noting the potential pitfalls. Carrying a balance is the biggest threat to maximizing rewards. If you spend $1,000 in a month but don't pay it off and your APRA is 20%, interest charges could exceed your rewards. Additionally, students sometimes apply for multiple cards too quickly, which can temporarily lower credit scores. The Quicksilver Rewards for Students card works best as a single, well-managed card in the early stages of building credit. Finally, let's address whether you should leave it or keep it. For students seeking a simple, no-fee card to build credit and earn consistent cashback, this card is worth it. It may not offer flashy perks or massive rewards, but it delivers on its promise: straightforward, reliable rewards and credit-building potential. Over time, maintaining this card responsibly can unlock better cards and financial opportunities, making it a foundational tool for your financial journey. In conclusion, the Quicksilver Rewards for Students card in 2025 is a strong choice for college students who want simplicity, reliability, and a way to start building credit. With 1.5% cash back on all purchases, no annual fee, purchase protection, and student-friendly approval requirements, it checks almost all the boxes for a first credit card. The main trade-offs are foreign transaction fees and the relatively modest cashback rate compared to premium cards, but for everyday student use, these are minor drawbacks. Most importantly, using it responsibly sets you up for long-term financial success. If you're a student ready to start building credit while earning simple rewards without hassle, the Quicksilver Rewards for Students card is worth keeping in your wallet and using wisely. By understanding the fees, rewards, and responsible usage strategies, you can maximize its benefits and establish a solid foundation for your financial future.